Imagine you're a monkey. You're hungry. You want bananas. But the bananas are inside a house. You can't just walk in. You need someone to bring them to you. That someone is the API. Today, I'll explain what an API is in the simplest way possible. Just monkeys and bananas. You are a monkey outside a house. Inside the house, there is a big banana storage room. That storage room is the server. The bananas inside. That's the data. Now here's the problem. You cannot enter the house. Why? Because it's protected. It's organized. It doesn't let random monkeys walk in. So how do you get your banana? You need a middleman. In front of the house, there's a small window. Behind the window is another monkey. This monkey works there. You tell him, I want 3 bananas. He goes inside, grabs exactly 3 bananas, comes back, and gives them to you. That monkey is the API. An API is simply a messenger, a middleman, a bridge between you and the data. You don't touch the storage room. You don't touch the database. You just ask the API, and it brings what you need. Let's stop being monkeys for 1 second. When you open Instagram, you see posts, likes, comments, profiles. Your phone does not store all Instagram data. Instead, your app sends a request to Instagram's server. The API says, user wants posts. Okay. Then the server sends back the posts. That's called a response. So the flow is app API server, server API app, request response. Exactly like the monkey asking for bananas. Why can't the monkey just enter the storage room? Because chaos. Imagine 1 million monkeys entering at once. They would steal bananas, break things, take wrong amounts, mess up everything. The API controls who gets what, how much, when, and if they are allowed. It adds security. It adds order. It adds rules. Here is the simple definition. An API is a system that allows 2 programs to talk to each other. It receives a request. It processes it. It sends back a response. That's it. No magic. Just communication. Banana storage equals server. Bananas equals data. Waiter monkey equals API. Asking equals request. Getting bananas equals response. If you understand monkeys, you understand APIs. If this explanation made APIs finally make sense, like the video, subscribe for simple programming explanations, and comment banana if you are now an API monkey. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video.